Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome to the channel and thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new, welcome. In this channel, we'll share my thoughts on how to make money online. We also share remote jobs, but if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back again. Your support is really appreciated. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel, and also turn on the post notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. So today we're back with another plug. We're back with a teaching position, online tutor position. So if you are someone who's always wanted to teach online but you didn't know where to start, then this video is definitely for you. So without wasting any more of your time, let's get straight into it. So first company hiring tutors is this one called Lingo Ace, and this is how their website looks like. So before we embark on the application process, we are just gonna scroll down to get more information on this company. So here it's a why Lingo Ace. So they are a leading online learning platform dedicated to providing a fun and engaging learning environment. So they cater for children between the ages of 4 to 15 who want to learn Chinese, English and math. So if you are someone who has done like an English teaching course, Chinese or math, then you can apply on this website. So they cater for students from over 100 countries and region worldwide, with a cumulative total of more than 11.1 million lessons that are always successfully delivered. So you're going to work from home. It's from the comfort of your own home. You are going to enjoy a flexible schedule. You're going to earn extra income with ease. You're going to engage in a fun and fulfilling teaching experience. So they say there are a structured curriculum provided, and also referral incentives are paid for if you refer someone. So you are going to get money for the referral. So here is Lingo Ace ESL highlight. So it's basically a one-on-one class, and then the classes last for 25 minutes or 55 minutes depending on the class. So the curriculum is going to be provided by the Lingo Ace, so there's no need for you to prepare for your own class. So platform is Lingo Ace Classroom. And then base payment is $14 per hour with regular raises for every tier increase. So it's up to $20 per hour. And then peak hours are 7 p.m., 7:30 p.m., 8 p.m., 8:30 p.m. any day. And then there is also 9 a.m., 9:30 a.m., 10 a.m., 10:30 a.m. on weekends. So it's in Beijing time. And then the teacher referral bonus that we spoke about earlier, here it says existing teachers will receive a bonus per successful teacher referred to the Lingo Ace platform and finishes one class. So here are all the qualifications. So they're looking for independent teachers who possess the following qualification. They need to be fluent in English. That's a requirement. They need to hold a certificate, a teaching certificate such as TESOL, TEFL, CELTA, or equivalent. So they also need to hold a bachelor's degree, but that's preferred. It's not a requirement. You need to have prior teaching or tutoring experience in English. That's also a preference. They say please note that they currently do not partner with teachers from California from the following countries. So you will see if your country is there or not. To apply for this position, you click on create a Twitter profile, and then you start with the application process. But then it's simple. You're just going to fill out your basic information. Then you record a short class using your online classroom system to showcase your teaching skills. And then later you will then complete your profile and sign a service agreement. And then next on the list is this company called Craving. So we don't have much information on this company, but like here it says we are looking for enthusiastic, passionate teachers with strong love for teaching. If you want to work from home anywhere in the world and be part of this tight-knit community. We're excited to get to know you. So this is how the page looks like. And then as you scroll down, you can see the application form. So you are going to fill this application form. It's going to be your name, your last name, your email address, and then answer the questions that are going to follow, like what pronouns would you like to use, what is your native language, do you speak Spanish, your phone number, where you were born, where you live, your certifications. Then you are going to upload your certificate, your experience, and then you're also going to answer here. It says, why do you want to teach with us? So you respond to that, and then you will then upload your resume, your cover letter. You can also read the steps there, because I think they are going to require you to sort of like make a video and then upload your file and drag it there. You fill all the information there, then after that you submit, then you'll hear from them. And last but not least, we have English Windows, and this is how the website looks like. Here it says, join our team of expert English teachers at English Windows. So, and then it says, are you passionate about teaching English online? Do you have experience, qualification, and enthusiasm to empower students from around the world? So they're looking for an English teacher. That's the position. So rate is between $10 and $100 per hour. So it's based on experience, qualification, and course category. So here are the key requirements. So you need to have a minimum of a year teaching experience, online or in person. You need to have a bachelor's degree in English, education or related, but it's a preference, it's not a requirement. So you need to have relevant certificate like TESOL, CELTA, and TEFL. And then you have to have a strong command of English language like C1 or C2 proficiency level. You need to also have the ability to teach different levels, for instance, from beginners to advanced learners. And you have to be available to work at least 10 flexible hours per week. So to apply for this position, you are going to do the following. Firstly, you are going to submit an introductory video, should be less than 3 minutes, with the following guidelines. So you need the video quality need to be widescreen, 16.9 HD or FHD. Your audio needs to be clear and audible. Your background needs to be simple, professional background. Shouldn't have ads, logos, or distractions. So here's the content of the video you should include. First, it has to be the introduction, which is your first and your last name. First or last name, no full name. So your education, like highlight your academic background and years of teaching experience. Certificates include your relevant teaching certificate. And then there's hobbies and interests. So you are going to share what interests you and you outside of teaching. And then call to action, you invite students to book lessons or a trial lesson with you. So here's a reason why you should work with English Windows. They have flexible hours and remote teaching opportunities. They have competitive hourly rate based on your course and type of student profile. And also they have a supportive, experienced team offering certified training and CPD opportunities for teachers. And some benefits of becoming a teacher on English Windows is the fact that you are going to make money online. So it's basically an opportunity to make money online from working from home. So you can work anywhere you want. So it's basically flexible. So you can teach at home without wasting your productive time. You mark your own schedule, meaning that there's the ability to perform your educational duties is at your convenience. You manage your own students, so you teach as many students as possible or as few as you like. So you can always find more students from all over the world without traveling. It is safe and secure. So to get started with the application, we click on apply now and then start with the application process. And that's it from me, guys. I will see you at the next one. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Bye.